Step 1, get lots of Dollar Tree vinyl paper. Step 2, prep the door you'll be using. Step 3, lay out your material. Voila, step 4, completely cover your door. Last but not least, final step, decorate your door. I use my Cricut machine to cut me some Chanel signs, and that is what I covered my door with. And voila, this is my finished door. Everything came from Dollar Tree. You can barely see the whiteness on the door, but yeah, I really like how it turned out. Dollar Tree, baby, Dollar Tree. $1. I took my brown ugly door, and that's what I came up with. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree.